Okay, so this was the question. So FYI, Kelly is not underwater. She's not on a tree. They are human that stands on the ground. Okay, so okay, so just to clarify, in case some of you had that question in mind. Okay, so this is the first diagram that I drew. Okay, angle of Kelly, and then the two length. You had to do H equals B sine A to figure out if this was an ambiguous case or not. So B sine A, I rewrote the sides and the angles here. I rewrote the angles inside here so that when you sub it into B sine A, it makes more sense. So remember, the ambiguous case, it's the this, like the pair. So that's like your A pair. So I said that A was 6, and then angle A is 40. So that means this is the B, the odd length. And so when I sub it into B sine A, I'll get that H is 5.14. So does it satisfy the 3 criteria? Well, A is an acute angle. You are given SSA. Okay. B is greater than A, and also A is greater than H. Okay, so then yes, I know it is an ambiguous case. So I'm going to first solve for the first triangle. Right here, what I want to do first, I know I'm trying to find this length right here. Okay, but I can't solve it right away. I need to find angle M. All right, so finding angle M means I need to do sine law. So find sine law using this. I find that angle M is 59 degrees. Okay, once I know 59 degrees, then I can do 180, subtract that to find the top angle. And then once I find the top angle is 81, I can use cosine law and find that my first answer is 9.2 meters. How many of you got the first answer as 9.2? Awesome. Okay, but almost all of you guys got that. So that's my first answer. As we said, there is 2 triangles. So this is my first triangle right here, where it's Kelly and Max are on opposite side of the bird. Here's how I'm going to draw my second triangle. Remember, this makes an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle right here. Okay, so your isosceles triangle angle is angle M. So this is 59 degrees. That means on this side right here, this angle is 59. So when you do your second triangle, this is your second triangle. What is this angle right here? Yep. Which is 121. There you go. So it's not the 40, but it's the 59 that makes that isosceles triangle. Oh?
So basically, the angle in minus 180 from is always the B
The supplementary angle. So this would be the M prime, which is 180 minus 59, so 121.
It's always the B and that.
Yes. Yep. Okay. So that's how you draw your 2 triangles. Your acute triangle and the blue one, your obtuse triangle. Okay. And then so since now we know that this is 121, then we can find the B prime is 180 minus 40 minus 121. So your second, for your blue triangle, minus 121 minus 40. So for the second triangle, angle B is 19 degrees. And then you do the same thing, cosine law or sine law, doesn't matter. So you get 6, 8. So notice everything is exactly the same. The dimensions are the same. Only thing different is the cosine angle. So instead of 81 on the red triangle, you're looking at a small angle of 19. And so you get square root 36 plus 80, 36 plus 64 minus 2 times 8 times 6 cosine 19, 9.23. And so B is, square root that, 3.0 meters. Okay, so how many of you got the second answer as 3 meters? Awesome.
Actually, 3.02. 032.
0.032.
032.
I got 3.038.
3.03. Yeah.
But one decimal place. Okay, so for your two diagrams, one diagram is where Kelly and Max are on opposite side of the bird, and the other diagram is where Kelly and Max are on the same side, looking at the bird, right here, on the at the end.
So, do we have to make like a second diagram, or can we
just like that is fine? Yeah, I prefer something like this because it's nice and easy to see. But if you like two triangles, that's by all means that's fine as well. Okay. I did do the attendance.